We call this channel Rich and Patty and Friends. It was created to document our adventures for us to look back on and enjoy later in life. While it's a memory album for us, we're pleased to share the memories of our adventures as we meet new friends and connect with our old friends, so you too can virtually experience the places that we visit. We also plan to describe the gear we use for our journeys, which you may find helpful in your own adventures. We aren't paid to promote any of the gear we show in this video, we simply show it because we really like it. We plan to visit established campgrounds and will also seek out dispersed camping areas, beginning with our destinations located primarily in the western United States. This is our first adventure that we are sharing, and it's our first experience with dispersed camping. With this adventure happening during Memorial Day weekend of 2021, finding a campground vacancy in our part of the state this time of year can be difficult without a reservation made far in advance, which is one reason we found dispersed camping an attractive option. Although there may be limited amenities, you can typically have the area to yourself without the noisy neighbors and other distractions that occasionally are part of staying in a designated campground. With this being our first experience with dispersed camping, we received permission to camp on private land located in the foothills of the coastal range in northwest Oregon and within an hour's drive from our home, close enough to home just in case it didn't work out. So did it work out for us? Stay tuned and find out. Our destination began on a gravel road that eventually became a steep, deeply rutted path that only a high-clearance vehicle with four-wheel drive should ever try to navigate. Eventually, the road leveled out and we reached the paradise that we were seeking, which overlooked the valley far below. After doing a lot of research on tents, we chose the Napier Sportz truck bed tent. With the tent being placed in the bed of the truck, it kept us above the cold ground and away from the curious critters. For ultimate comfort and durability, we chose the Exped Megamat Duo mattress, which fit perfectly in our setup. The inside of the tent really felt like a palace. We're both sensitive to smoke and don't enjoy the smoky campfire smell that permeates our clothes. Fire danger is also elevated in our area, making a wood campfire less desirable. With that in mind, we chose to bring a propane fire pit to provide that campfire ambience, along with the classic way to cook hot dogs and marshmallows. Tonight, we're having hot dogs and baked beans, followed by everyone's favorite, s'mores. We had debated using a propane stove or another method to cook meals and heat water. We have an induction plate that we take with us when staying in motels and felt like it would work well for camping also. The main concern with the induction plate is the 1800 watts of power that it can draw. We initially had planned on getting a 500 watt Jackery to run an RV refrigerator and to charge cameras, cell phone, and drone batteries. To power the induction plate, we decided on a 1000 watt Jackery instead, which can handle our induction plate at a 60% power setting. This is enough power to heat water in just a couple of minutes and sizzle bacon in less than a minute. We also like the small footprint of the induction plate over a camp stove.
I always use the stables here, and I have to use one last day.
How much does that sandwich weigh?
Half a pound.
It felt like our 2-night stay came to an end way too soon. and it was sadly time to break camp. We hope that you enjoyed tagging along with us and watching this video. We concluded that our first try at dispersed camping was indeed a success and are looking forward to exploring new places. We would love for you to experience them too. If you enjoyed our adventure and would like to join us for more, subscribe to our channel and click on the notify button to be informed of when we have another adventure to share. This is Rich and Patty and friends. Thank you for watching.